The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, man, you know where I watch?
Hey, move from around the people, because them are people that can't go in the camera, so we there. Side bucket, get up in the bucket. See, I mess up the people them right there, so can do.
Sorry, I let you send back the money.
Oh, me not send back, I get $1,000. That's why me not send back. People, see ya. This I say them not on drugs. No cocaine behavior this. You people, no care what. Someone says you candy come for me, and for me tell candy say, me I go give her daughter some of the money. Wanna see candy behavior, people? Wanna see candy behavior? It is a shame and disgrace. And your mother is take your mother out of this. Take your mother out of this. Me tell them you go give your baby. You beat me candy. You beat me. Yeah. You not buy nothing for the baby. You now right now we are calling the money and buy them. Come here, God. Me I go over there today say you give me. Me buy the $1 from you. With your outside self. People watch them behavior. Yeah. Figure you beat me something. Girl, one thing with your girl. Nobody is going to want you around them. Nobody. Your daughter.
If you say that, you should not do that, then dear, and then you know what to do. Done. Yeah? Don't write this to me.
Your mother, girl, and your mother look after your pitney. Your mother look after your pitney, girl. Yeah? Money do this. Money. Candy, you need to change your fucking ways. You need to change your ways.
This man here, how you say I'm going to give me money?
Yeah.
You mind change everything.
Your daughter must get done. I like your blood clotted. I saw Rose lose her fame because she take out her video them out of this and I hype up. Man. And what do you can do? But I choose your blood clotted.
I said to change, give me $3 last night.
I'm going to tell you, say I don't collect the money. Me no sure if me never get the money. I cannot give you the money. I sit here. Look here, is the money we're going to collect now. It's it. If you want to come here, move your blood clot. I don't know why I have you. You're too ungrateful. If me say me I give you baby money, you take. When the blood clot you come out, don't give your mother the money. Don't give your mother the money. Yeah? Can you need to change your blood clot?
Me not trust nobody.
Hold this. You not trust nobody? You not trust somebody with money?
I don't want nobody send me
that's why
money.
the dad go get it.
On the ear, people. On the ear.
And she can't get the whole life. She never tell me she can't get the whole life.
On the ear, people.
You know, my mother no company for this man.
Yeah.
She has no company for this man. I make that. Things over the man, they send back the money, can they? Oh, no, one minute, oh, God, I'm going to be straight. You're not going to come here, cheers!
Yeah.
Jungle, we are money go give your mother. Blood clot. I don't care what you want to say. You want your one?
Yeah, give me money. You know, just send back the money that she said she don't want.
Ungrateful. Bad.
Send it back.
Bad. You, your daughter, they don't come already. Miss, thank you very much for sending the money come because that daughter need me a video me go live with me your blood clot mother the whole of the money. And that me I tell you too wicked. Oh, Sierra, say it to me.
Yeah, burn it down.
Say it to me.
Fucking wicked.
You can't burn on the woman house. You can't burn on the woman house.
And then I say she take care of the picnic. You want burn down the woman house?
Man house. Yeah.
Just about the clock. What's apart?
Money and you picnic them and
Father God change a little girl, yeah. Money that you know man your daughter, your mother, man your blood clot daughter, your girl go on, can you get me down? Girl, go on, but you don't put yourself to get the money.
She not take care of picnic, her mother every time, she a go on for money.
One.
Money. No,
Girl,
money
go
what
on,
them
girl.
send come.
Are you
Money.
mad no blood clot?
I really much
Jesus
material.
Christ.
And no sensible
And
somebody
never
can
give
go
me
and
the guan,
so.
and your daughter get the money. Your daughter get
No
so many money
sensible
and you
somebody
fight for
can
your
go and
baby
to
and
blood
can
clot. No sensible somebody.
I just show me one go, but it's one my business. And cheese just, hey, we just can collect cheese and cheese up alive and cheese a bigger color. Can you money if you can there now, no? And that's why I'm going to change just about put all the clothes on them.
No,
And so now can you money if you can there, can you see what come in? Cheese! Don't give me mother no money! No, you give me that there, no! Me I say can there what? If you give them no, make a bond in yours.
She really need help be true.
We are come
She
at
need
Jones, so me
help.
get $1,000 out of the money. Me never collect the money, I go collect the money now. But when me collect the money, I don't care. I have a little $3,000 figure. That is as much as that I get the rest. We are moving blood clot. We getting ready. We can now soon come.
When you collect it down gear.
Nah, get the whole like me, I get some. Me not left her on the dike. Me never did a plan to do that. But I plan to give her that thing. Ungrateful little piece of shit. She need to stop it. Down the road, so.
That's it,
Yeah. No service on phone. Now they're free sitting on YouTube. If Goody me soon come over that side there. Yeah, cousin though. Goody God.
Viewers and subscribers, the video that I just presented to you, that video shows a female who goes by the name of Candy Wow. You see me? And that video also show other persons, but however, this video is out on social media where it is said that this video shows when Candy Wow argued with a female who is known as Cheese about money. Now, I do not know how much money, you see me, but however, according to what has been said on social media, is that this video shows when Candy Wow argued with Cheese about money, or Candy Wow have somewhat of a disagreement with Cheese about money, or Candy Wow confronted Cheese about money, right? Now, viewers and subscribers, I want to say my apologies about the quality of the video, but I bring the video to you just as how the video is out on social media, you see me? And I bring it to you because this video has been talked about on social media, you understand? And you don't know me dancehall skill, I'm only there so to keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on, you see me? Now, for those who might not remember or know who is Candy Wow, you see me? Candy Wow is a female that somehow became popular on social media with a style, you see me? And I'm telling you this according to my knowledge, according to how I know about Candy Wow, you see me? Yeah, I found out about Candy Wow because of social media, because of a style that she did where she said some things like, can I get a wow? Wow, 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 you know, every little thing that she says or certain things that she says wow. You see what I'm saying to you? Alright, that's the style I learned about her on social media with, or found out about her on social media. You see me? Yeah, that's the style. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, you know, I saw more than one comment, more than 2 comments, more than 3 comments, you see me? And I see posts on social media where Candy Wow name had been mentioned in those posts. And some things that have been said in these comments and posts gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that Candy Wow need help. You see me? Yeah, some persons are saying that she needs help. You understand me? Some persons are saying that she has somewhat of a mental issues. You see me? Like they are saying that she has mental issues. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm not saying that someone cannot say that a person have mental issues, but however, without the right proof, then, you know, saying it to me is not going to be the right way of doing things. You see me? You see me? Yeah, a person can say it, you know. I think it's best for someone to get the proof. You see what I'm saying to you? Like, for example, let's say that Candy Wow go to a doctor and, you know, she gets somewhat of a psychiatric evaluation or so forth, and then the doctor will determine if she has somewhat of a mental issue or mental issues or what. You understand? But without that kind of proof, you know, for persons to just say that, then, you know, I'm just going to say, all right, they said it, but I can't just accept and say, yes, it is true. You see me? It's just something that had been said. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, I also hear some accusations out there. You see me? I see comments on social media and posts as well. You see me? Where, you know, some accusations saying that Candy Wow is taking drugs and all these things. Now, viewers and subscribers, I do not have any proof towards those things. You see me? But I'm just telling you all these things because these things had been mentioned on social media about Candy Wow and so forth. You see me? But anyways, the video I just presented to you now, viewers and subscribers, it's like this video has been talked about, and because some of the things that Candy Wow did and said in this video, you know, there's some comments on social media where persons are saying that Candy Wow need help, and you know, some persons are saying that she's on drugs, and all kind of comments have been made. So I say, viewers and subscribers, but you know, the reason why I explain certain things is because of all those things that have been said. I cannot say it is true, you understand? But you don't know me, I'm gonna tell you what I want, you understand? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I found this video out on social media. It's been talked about on social media. I bring it to you so that you can have a look at it. You can also tell me what you think. You see me? Do you think Candy Wow need help or not? You see me? And you know, just let me know what you think overall about this video. Alright? And here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.